What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 12 in the blue color. It's the 12 Pro Max. This video has been recorded some months ago when I originally purchased my new iPhone. I have changed it and upgraded for the 11 Pro Max to this one. I got the blue color. As everybody knows, the box became a little simpler without the headphones, but it really makes no missings. But here's the phone. The touch is amazing. The quality it's just perfect. If you have a look at the borders, you can see that it's a quite more brightening, and the details in blue became so fancy. The part for the cameras become a little bigger in my opinion, and a little heavier too. The iPhone became a little heavier. It came with this lighting. Once I already have the charger, there's no missings, but it's good to know that we're gonna need to purchase separately the charger in the case that you do not have one. An Apple logo and the little device to open the chip key. I'm turning it on. The process to install and set up, it's really fast because I'm going from an iPhone to another iPhone. So just need to enter with the iCloud. This is the Liquid Retina. It comes with 6.7 inch. It works really fast. The camera, it's simply amazing, especially if you're gonna talk into the dark. But if you apply some colors, it's gonna happen very good. As you can see now, we have a second camera with an extra zoom. It works truly fast. The videos are also amazing, and the integration are with other apps like Instagram, for example, it's also good. I'm using it for almost a year right now, and the battery, it's good. It works for a whole day, and in the end of the day, I will have something like 1/3 of the battery, so it can becomes storing with 2 days, but I'm not a heavy user, so you need to pay attention. I recommend it for everyone because in my opinion it's the best phone you can get, talking about safety. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the bezel-less portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. And I see you later. All the best!